This is a 1994 Harley Davidson FXR Super Glide 1340cc. It's quite a tidy bike. It started up really well. It had a flat battery, but charged it up, and I don't know if it'll hold, but it works now. I've rode it. Brakes work. It's a smooth bike to ride. Came from Ohio. It's got 2,748 miles on the clock. Well, who knows, maybe. Unfortunately, it's got a damaged mudguard. This was done in the container when it was on its way over here. The bike, something fell on it, but we had a bit of damage in this last container, but that was done in the container. Yeah, tidy bike. That'll be on eBay if it's still available.